folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I am here to show you guys the Osburn 2000 wood stove. The Osburn 2000 model is going to be EPA 2020 approved. However, it does not meet the efficiency rating to qualify for the 26% tax credit. This model is going to be a top vent 6-inch flue. All of the Osburn stoves have a nice thick quality gasket around their firebox doors. Inside the firebox, again, you can see the standard size fire brick, as well as the air tubes located at the top of the box. All of the Osburn wood stoves also have an excellent air wash on them as well, which is going to keep your glass nice and clean. The ash lip is pretty nice. I like this because it's got like a black glass on it, so it's going to be a lot easier to keep clean as the ashes fall out and as you're cleaning it out. The stove does come standard with a ash pan located in the pedestal base. This model is going to be shown with a black door. You can also get the inner portion door trimmed out in nickel. So this is the Osburn 2000. If you guys find these video overviews helpful, please don't forget, give them a quick thumbs up, click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.